Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share an amazing sad girl drawing idea. Let's start. In this video, I am showing a double-faced personality of a beautiful girl. She is good like an angel, or bad like a devil. We often met these kinds of persons in our daily life. We need to change all of them. We need to heal them, help them feel secure, help them feeling happy. I sketch a sad crying girl. We should remove her tears and make her happy by giving a bunch of flowers. This one leads to the hope. Hope is a good thing. Never lose hope and you will succeed. Just try to find different scared, crying, sad people around you and make them happy by your actions. I cut this figure from her head and I found a brain. Hold it in a cage. We need to give independence to her brain. We should keep an ideal creative brain in her head. And now I join her head back to its place and put a good heart there. And her expressions automatically change. She is smiling. Here is another girl having tears in her eyes. I cut her head and I am trying to diagnose the problem. Oh, it indicates she is hopeless and she think it is impossible. We should change her thinkings and vision. We should clear her that nothing is impossible. We should remove her tears and make her smile. Now she is calmed. Here is a girl having pain in head due to her daily life problems. We should eliminate her difficulties from her brain. We should give her painkiller so that she will relax. We should realize her that proper diet is good for health. And pain will turn into relief when she will follow a good diet plan. Another girl weeping. Okay, let's see what is her problem. Why she is weeping? Let's go inside her heart. Oh my God, she is weeping hardly. She is tense. She is injured too. How she is weeping? Oh my God, her heart is broken inside. Firstly, we need to bandage her heart, give her motivation, and heal her wounds, and put a healthy heart inside her. Put her heart back to its position and let's make her happy. Join back her head and bandage it. Now she will be okay soon. Pray for her. Oh my God, she is scared. Okay, let's see what is in her mind. Oh my God, that's so scary. Pray for her to get relief. An amazing heart, touching art. I open her broken heart to see what is in it. Oh my God, it's time. What are these signs, indications? It indicates her heartbeat is free. That's nice scene. Wow. These are the logos of YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And girl dressing according to their taste. I am coloring her dress according to YouTube logo color red and white, and that's amazing, viewers. You must try it. Now I am turning this one girl's dress according to Instagram logo. That's nice combo. This is the turn of TikTok logo. Where are the TikTok lovers? I am aligning a dress combination for them. Must tell me in comment section how these three logo designing dresses look. Oh my God, how scary. Firstly, I open her chest cavity to look what is inside. Clean it with cotton. Here it is a killing tool. Her angry expressions. Her black broken heart. Seems she is depressed. Oh my God, fire. We should replace these things with good ones. Just like hell and happy heart and smile. Qualification degree. Close her heart cavity. And bandage here. She is addicted to social media apps. We need to remove these apps from her life. I open her head. Let's see what is inside. Here it is a black hopeless brain. We need to replace it with a hale and hearty brain. And close it. Now she is turned into a queen. Here the first salutes to the doctor and nurses. They try their best to hold patient's soul in her body. It's really a respectable profession. We salute you all the doctors stay blesses. Again a crying sad girl, let's see what is she thinking inside. Oh my god, again social media. Cigarettes. Fast food. Let's replace these addictions with good things. Like exercise, healthy diet, sound sleep. Remove her tears and make her feeling happy. She is a devil girl having tearful eyes. Every negative character has a painful story inside. We should eliminate negativity inside ourselves. Replace anger and hate with love and smile. Try to change these devil characters with angel sweet characters. To make the society peaceful and your heart will fulfill with delight, it's a great virtue. To remove negativity from our society. We can do it and we will just take it easy. I just love to make logos art here. It is the logo of YouTube in red and white and Facebook and Instagram. Now I am coloring these logos in their respective colors. Please tell me in comment section that which goggles suits to her personality. Just drop a number. I like all of these on her face. This video is to beautify a girl. Makeup beauticians will like it. Now color her eyelashes with mascara. Beautify with gloss. And now open her beautiful hair. She is so pretty. Thank you. Leave a comment below.